In 2015, I rode a motorbike around Armenia, during which time I was chased by 3 dogs. And altitudes too. Since then, I've been back 2 times, and creatively documented it along the way, by whatever means possible. Most recently, I was there in the spring and summer 2020, during the COVID lockdown. Don't worry. It's everything will be good. Coronavirus, check out. I captured many field memories and created many new imaginations in that solitary time. And I've decided to curate a selection of the 2020 edition to share. Field recordings and reimaginations. All I can hope is that it inspires you to do what you love and to be the dream maker.